Okay, so just a few months ago we did a walkthrough and showed you what the construction looked like inside the Monte Carlo, soon to be the Park MGM. And I said it's been almost exactly 3 months, so we're going to do another video and show you how they're coming. I don't recall the time there was any. The pool was under construction, so that looks to have been more or less finished off right here. This looks like a rather small pool. I'm thinking maybe there's a bit larger pool down here. Also remember a lot of construction smells, which I'm not getting today, but it is Martin Luther King Day, so being a federal holiday, there's probably not any work going on. So if you didn't see that video, please check it out. This is the Monte Carlo, but it's soon going to be entitled Park MGM. Get a look at the south pool, as much of it as we can see. And I'll have to go back and look myself. It seems like there was a lot more construction along here than I'm seeing right now. And you can see the sign saying Park MGM coming soon. You can actually stay in some of the remodeled rooms here at Monte Carlo. And that's going to be the entrance to the pool. And on our left, one of the most popular attractions in Las Vegas, Starbucks. Lobby, Primrose, let's see, sort of registration area. This does look significantly more finished than it did a few months ago, which I guess it should. Presumably people have been working on it. This looks pretty nice. So, again, I don't know how long we'll actually walk through the casino. We see security, we might have to stop. But it looks like the casino itself is quite a bit more lively. Quite a few more machines. There was a significant amount of the casino floor that was simply walled off, and I suspect empty, back in October, so not as much now. I think we walked in that way, actually, the last time we were here. So there's a center bar. I don't know if that's been redone. It looks like maybe it has. If you look around here, ticket office for any shows, I guess. I don't know if there's anything going on right now. But yeah, an awful lot of this was completely closed down. So most of the casino floor seems to be opened back up again. So we'll just continue to walk along here, see what happens. This will be one of our extended videos. But there is not a lot of eating options around here yet. And apparently quite a bit of construction noise, so depending on how sound a sleeper you are, you may still want to wait a few months before checking this place out. And the entrance to the Park Theater, that is where the Lady Gaga residency will be, and also where Britney Spears is going to reappear after taking a year off here from Las Vegas. So anyway, let's see if we can get all the way to the front today. About a 5-minute video, so not too bad. This place was definitely in need of some love. So it's good that it's getting some. But This bar in particular, I remember playing at it a few times, and well, it was in bad shape. So that is not yet redone. Some comfortable seating here, and then it looks like you can get out to Las Vegas Boulevard this way. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Why not? Let's see where this takes us. And that way we'll also be able to kind of see the front of the building. See what it looks like. Right. And actually a lot of work still needs to be done. And they're still calling it the Monte Carlo, but these all used to be restaurants out here, and I think they're all closed now for at least the next few months. But anyway, there's an update to our walkthrough at the Monte Carlo soon-to-be Park MGM. Hope you enjoyed it. As always, thanks for watching. Please like this video and do subscribe to our channel.